Today we will do the topic of articles that is given in chapter 9 of your book, grammar book. Uh, Chapter 9. Name of the chapter 9 is articles. First of all, we should know what are articles. What are articles? Articles are one of a part of speech they are used before nouns. They are used before nouns and they modifies nouns they function as adjectives they define whether the noun has been used in specific or general context. Understand? Articles are used before nouns. They modify nouns means they add something to the meaning of nouns. They function as adjectives also, like adjectives like good, bad. As you know, the adjectives they define whether the noun has been used in specific or general context. There are three articles. Articles are three in numbers: a, an, and the. We can categorize these articles in two types. One is definite article and second is indefinite articles. We put the indefinite articles as it refers the specific or uniqueness of the noun. Specific, it tells whether the noun has been used in a specific way or unique way, and in indefinite articles we put a and an in the category of indefinite articles. They define that the noun has been used in general context. When noun is used in general context, we use a and an. You can understand it by an example. The category of definite and indefinite articles, you can understand it by an example. See, if there is a group of apple before you. Apples are not looking beautiful. See, there are 5 apples and you are given a choice to eat any apple from this group of apple. You can say, I want to eat an apple from this group of apple. I want to eat an apple from the group of apple. Okay, it is a general expression of the apple. You can eat any apple. You don't have a specific choice about it. For definite articles, you can say, if you want to eat a specific apple, you can say, if you want to eat this one apple, this is at the first position, you can say, I want to eat the apple which is at first position in the group of apple. Thus, you have made it the specific. Made this apple the specific one. You want to eat this one. And for general, you have said any apple you can eat. That for that reason you have used an here. For general context, you have used an, and for specific context, you have used the here. Now in next video.